Three, two, one. Good morning, you beautiful souls. I am back with Will and Eric today. And today we got another series of challenges. So let's just jump right into the video. All right. So the first challenge is for me to go find the girl to get a guy's phone number. This will be really interesting. Excuse me, girls. We're shooting a YouTube video where we have to get, it's a challenge, so we have to find someone to go and get someone else's phone number. Would you guys be interested in doing this?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're down? Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Honestly, this whole thing's kind of funny. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Christine. I've been trying to link with more people on campus. Can I have your phone number?
Yeah.
Can I?
Yeah.
Okay, bet. Oh.
My name is Brian.
Brian, okay. With an I or with a Y?
With a Y.
With a Y. Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Phone number?
760.
760. Or do you want to do that?
I don't mind, yeah.
Okay, so nice to meet you. Yeah, I'm Christine. Okay, yeah, nice to meet you. Have a nice day.
Whew, okay, that is done. Now we need to go find people and try to convince them that the Earth is flat. Excuse me. NASA just released this article about the Earth being flat. Okay, so Bernie Sanders said that the Earth is flat. What do you guys think about that? There was an article recently released by Trump and NASA saying that the Earth is flat.
I don't think that's real.
You don't think it's from the NASA website right here? Oh God! And then they took pictures of the Earth.
I don't believe that you
flat.
actually said that.
You don't think he said that?
No.
Did he actually
Okay.
say it?
Yeah, he actually said
No
it.
way.
You could look up the article.
I'm not going to believe that the Earth is flat just because he's funding NASA for it.
So like, where's the end?
Oh, I don't know. I haven't gone there yet, but like soon. So, what is you guys' opinion? You guys still think the Earth is round or is it flat?
The Earth is round, right?
Round?
Yeah,
Okay, so
absolutely.
2 rounds.
Yeah.
So you think the article's fake, or you think?
I don't think it's fake. I think Bernie's an idiot.
I think it's 3 bullshit. All right, well, it's real though. No, I'm kidding. I didn't do that. I made that whole thing up. Which way are you leaning? Yes or no?
Pro, Earth is not flat and it's round.
So, I got the 3 interviews. Now I'm gonna hold up the sign and see if I can get any honks. I need honks. Thank you. Woo! That's what. Come on. You gave me a thumbs up. Woo! Yes. You got it. Thank you. Yo, we are on the last challenge. I need to go find someone to do the WAP challenge with. Let's not get hit by a car.
The top, make it drop, that's some wet, that's some wet. And I get a bucket and a mop, that's some wet, that's some wet. I'm talking wop, 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 that's some wet, that's some wet. Mackerel.
So we just did our last one, and Will's still running around recording. I saw you guys run behind us.
You were still doing WAP. And
Get out of here.
No,
First of all, it was first back to the house, not here.
Because we are debating over the rules.
Yeah, I mean, you cheated for
you
sure.
And I can both.
He fucking cheated. He said one location and he ran here and we finished and we were like, oh, we finished.
No.
So now he's changing
No,
the
no,
rules
no.
because he
No, rules were never
Well,
changed.
bro.
Soldiers doesn't listen. Here's what we'll do.
Okay, we'll
we
listen.
will each write something on each other's forehead. And you can go there. I will go 1 block over. We'll be on the phone.
Yeah.
And we'll say, ready, set, go. And
Okay.
the first person that can get a number from as many people as they have to ask wins.
Okay.
Um,
You're gonna have to take off your hat though.
Yeah. I'll wear my hat like this.
No hat. No hat. Yeah, it's
I'll wear
gonna
like-
block it. You're
I'll
gonna
wear it
block
like
it.
this. I'll wear it like this. I got some crazy hair, dude. I gotta wear my hat.
You have crazy hair? Bro, come on. I think it'll work.
Is it funny?
How does it look, guys? Does it look beautiful?
This off.
Who's gonna have a harder time, guys? Me
so much
or
fun.
Bill?
Hey, Will, ready?
I cannot find a single girl in this whole f***ing place. Look, guys. He's got that block. He's got girls over there, but I don't want a single girl. Spring, I'm with SOLTV on YouTube. So I can't tell you what the challenges are or anything, but I need your solid. I need your phone number.
510.
Okay. Thank you so much, Spring. You saved me. Woo, we did it. So that's a tie. Tie. You guys got it right as I was getting it. I can't believe mine didn't work. You
We're going
piece
to do
of
like
shit.
a 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, mine's in reverse.
What does it say?
I'm a solid 3. Fuck you. I am not a solid 3, maybe.
Don't.
5 or 6, maybe. Why did people not listen to the don't?
I don't know. I almost put "don't listen to me" on you or something along those lines.
Will, always a pleasure filming with you, dude. Eric, nice to meet you. This is Cyrus's cameraman for today. We almost won. We almost beat him. We need to do another underwear challenge, Will. I'm gonna come to LA and we're gonna do a super challenge.
Yes. Yes.
Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification for the next video. I'll see you guys real soon. Fuck, I'm gonna take this bullshit off.
He looks a little weird.
And just to be clear for the contest, we have to walk up to a girl and ask her to be in the video in advance because we don't want to startle her. That part will not be on film because we don't have her consent to film yet. But once we get her consent, then we're going to ask her for the first time for her phone number, and whatever you guys see will be 100% real. And the first take. Just finished. And yeah, we needed you earlier because it's hard to get people to participate.
Yeah,
So,
man.
that was
Nowadays,
good.
too, man. It's hella dead right now, bro.
Yeah,
Especially on
I know.
Fridays, bro. They be
Yeah.
more people and shit, bro.
You got that cameo in the end though. So
Yeah,
that
yeah, a
worked.
little bit. Hopefully,
worked.
hey, don't cut that out.
I
Don't
won't.
cut that out.
I won't cut
I'm
it
telling
out.
y'all, bro.
Don't
You
cut
feel
it
me,
out.
man? You gotta get the
You in it.
authenticity, bro. The Bay Area, you feel me, man? Not just all these gentrification motherfuckers.
You
and
give
shit
him a
like that.
yada me, you know?
Yada right, me.
What's your Instagram?
CHRISTINEE.w.